Okay, now we are just going to go on and we are going to practice some spoken English. And remember, fluency comes when you repeatedly speak the language. By the way, today we speak Urdu. Urdu is our native language and first language. We speak Urdu. Why are we fluent in Urdu? Because we speak Urdu every day. And have you ever noticed? I mean, at least for the last 5 to 10 years, there isn't any new word of Urdu that you used. Every day you practice old language. Every day.
Yes.
You don't use new sentences, new structures, and you say, okay, now in 2021, I'm using these 5 new words of Urdu. We always have old language structures and all that. So repetition is the mother of learning. Always remember, repetition is the mother of learning. When you want to learn a language, repeatedly speak that language. You want to learn cooking, repeatedly cook food, and repetition is actually the mother of every type of learning, right? Now, what we are going to do today, this time, as we already learned present simple tense and all that, now I'll give you some small topics and you have to make some sentences on those topics, right? Try to make, I mean, there's no counting. Try to make as many sentences as possible, 5, 8, 10, just go on and then I will stop you, right? Let's take a start from here and the topic is fast food. Yes.
Actually, I don't like fast food.
Very good. You can speak more on it because you don't like it, okay?
Because I believe the fast food is not a healthy food. It might be good for occasionally, or we can say when we don't have any other option. Fast food is not good for health, as well as you can say it is not relevant to our culture. I mean to say our climatic requirements are different. Good. And the spices, the combination we are using is relevant to our environment.
Okay.
So it is, I'm not trying to say that it is a harmful food. I am just to I just want to establish my point that it is not a healthy food.
Okay.
That's why it is called as junk food.
Junk food as well. Very good. Fantastic. Your turn, please. Here you go. Okay, now your topic is restaurants. Restaurants. You can talk about restaurants, continental, Chinese, fast food, and how often you go there and all that. So please, you can start.
I like to eat from restaurants. Every week I go to the restaurant and eat from restaurant.
Yes, come on. Say, I always enjoy spicy food at the restaurants. Yeah. Once a week I visit restaurants with my friends. Just bolna hai. Come on.
Every week I go with my friends to the restaurant, and I like to eat in the restaurants, dining. And I like Chinese cuisine and Arabic food. And
now you can talk about your favorite restaurant.
My favorite restaurant is Arabic restaurant, Betel Mandi, because I like to eat rice too much. Because I lived in Saudi Arabia for so long time. That's why I like mandi too much.
Okay, this is very good, right? Good job. Now let's move on. Please, your turn. All right, your topic is Lahore. Yeah, shuffle the topic here and there. Yeah.
I like Lahore. Lahore is beautiful. It's many malls.
There are many malls in Lahore.
And there are beautiful park. And I have friends in the Lahore.
I have
friends.
I have friends in Lahore. Good.
And many restaurants.
There are many restaurants.
There are many restaurants
in Lahore.
And museum.
Yeah, try to make sentences properly. First, you talked about restaurants. You say, on the other hand, there are different museums in this city as well, like that.
And there are different museums. And
I love Lahore very much.
I love
Okay,
Lahore
yes,
very
सांस
much.
चढ़ गया English बोल के. Okay. That happens, no problem. Your turn. Now you must be expecting water. No, that's not your topic. I changed the topic. Your topic is English language.
I like English language.
Good.
Because for good career.
For good career.
Career.
One is carrier. Carrier of the bike. Bike has a carrier. CARRIER. Now the second one is career. CAREER, and we call it career.
Career.
Yeah.
For good career.
For good career.
For good career, we must know English.
Good.
Also, I ask my children. Must be fluent in English.
They must be fluent in English.
They must be fluent in English. And also, I need English for my business
Good.
purpose and in meetings. And also, sometime I want to go foreign.
I want to go to a foreign
I
country.
want to go to foreign country.
Or you can say I want to go abroad.
I want to go to abroad.
No, not to. I want to go abroad.
I want to go abroad. That's why I come to you.
Okay. To
Asad
learn English.
Yaqub, learning English.
Okay, fantastic. Very good. Now, guys, listen. Wherever you are, whenever you have some free time, pick up your mobile, select a topic, start the recording. Okay. For example, water. For example, you are outside and you see some birds there, and you start your recording. Birds are the beautiful creature of God. I like birds very much. Whenever the birds fly here and there, we feel good. I like the chirping of bird very much. That sounds or that seems to my ears like music, and there are many colorful birds. My favorite bird is like that. Wherever you're sitting idle, just record it and then later on listen to it, and this is how you can improve. You know, sometimes you don't find a partner. There will not be anyone around you for practice. Now you are waiting for someone, sitting all alone, and there is coffee in front of you, right? Just hold the coffee and start recording. I love coffee very much. Whenever I drink coffee, I feel active and alert. I drink coffee once a day, but sometimes I drink coffee twice a day as well. My favorite coffee brand is blah, 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 and all that. Right? So just like this, you can practice and record your voice, because language needs practice. More practice. Now, for example, in order to become a perfect cook, right, you need to cook and cook and cook and cook. And then you'll become cook. Okay?
Chef.
You cook and you cook. Yeah,
chef.
exactly. You become a chef.
What about the mistakes or grammatical problems?
Okay. Now, see, as far as grammatical problem is concerned, today, when we were practicing, I was listening to you carefully and I pointed out your mistakes. So leave that part upon me. And it's a good idea to practice what you are learning, as we learn present simple tense. Now I asked you about your daily routine. Maybe you can record your Sunday routine, right? You can record something you do on Sundays. You can record some other stuff like that. So don't worry about grammar. I mean, just start speaking. You know, when you started speaking your mother tongue, initially your pronunciation was wrong, your grammar was wrong, then your parents corrected you, and now you speak correct language. So just start practicing it, and now you are here, so I will correct your grammar and we will do some exercises for vocabulary and all that, right? So you should practice like this. Okay.